Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm filming a video that is actually a week overdue. If you follow me on Instagram, a couple of weeks ago I had posted a post saying that I was searching for a specific bag. I had been eyeing one on Fashion File, and this was a bag that I had wanted probably I guess since it came out a year ago, and I didn't get one when they came out, and just decided now was a good time to get it. And so thank you to everybody who messaged me about this bag. There were several people who either had one or knew of someone who had one or had seen one somewhere, and I really appreciate all the DMs letting me know about it. And so that was really nice. I did end up sourcing one from an Instagram personal shopper who I've worked with before, and I will leave her information down below. She was great to work with. Anyway, I don't want to keep talking without showing the bag. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll already know what it is. But obviously this is not a true unboxing. I opened it right away when I got it a week ago, and I've actually used it for a few days this week. So I put it back in the dust bag just kind of for the video. So to reveal, my 18A small So Black Coco Handle. So this is in the chevron pattern with the So Black hardware, and like I said, the small size. So I do have two mini Coco handles, and this is the next size up, and it's significantly bigger. I will show a comparison in a minute. Yeah, I love So Black. I have my So Black rectangular mini, and I just loved the idea of getting, first of all, a Coco handle in a bigger, kind of more everyday size. Although I still like the size of the mini, I do have a lot of mini bags, and I've kind of been trying to diversify my collection by adding a couple of bags that are a little bit bigger. They're not huge, but they're a little bit bigger, like the reissue, the 226 that I got recently, and now this one. And I knew that of all of the Coco handles I'd seen, if I was going to get one in a bigger kind of everyday size, I really wanted the So Black. So that's why I put that ISO post out. Yeah, so this is it. It is absolutely beautiful. So I will just show you quickly. This is not going to be an in-depth review or anything. I'll just kind of show my first impressions. I did pack it for the video to show you how much it fits, and then I will show you it next to the mini. So of course it comes with the strap, and this strap can be worn on the shoulder. I can actually crossbody it too. I'm 5'4", and it does work. It's just long enough for me to crossbody it where like the handle doesn't bother me too much. I can see how anyone any taller than me probably wouldn't want to do that, but I actually prefer carrying it with the top handle though, and the top handle is quite big, so you can put your arm through it pretty easily. So I'll show you how I packed it. So you can see that the capacity is a really good size. So in the front, kind of larger compartment here, I have my Louis Vuitton Toiletries 15, and it's just packed with a bunch of stuff. I'm not going to bother going through that. I have my So Black zippy coin purse in the crumpled calfskin, and it looks really nice with this bag. This one actually matches my mini. I've got a Lancome lip product in that little lip compartment there. And I've got my new 19B Camellia O case in the anthracite camellia print. And I think I just have cash and coins in there, yeah. And I have my 6 key holder with my car key in it. And do I have anything in the zipped compartment? So it's got the zipped compartment in the middle, and it has the smaller compartment here and then another zipped compartment at the back. And Oh, I just have some Starbucks gift cards in the zipped compartment. And of course it does have the Mona Lisa back pocket. I don't have anything in there at the moment. So yeah, it holds a lot. It's a really great everyday sized bag. All of this fit without sort of struggling to figure out where I'm going to put them. I just kind of stuck them in and they all fit. I'll just put them back quickly. So one difference between the mini and the small is this zipped compartment. In the mini, it's just a slip compartment. This one is an actual zipped compartment. So I will show you it next to my mini that's from the same collection. So this is from the same 18A collection. They called this gold. I call it bronze. I don't think it's really gold, but anyway, it's the same collection, and this is the mini size, both chevron. This one has the shiny ruthenium hardware. So you can see it is a significant size difference between the two. They both have feet on the bottom. I love both sizes. I honestly, I love the Coco Handle. I think it's one of my favorite styles, if not my favorite style that Chanel does. And I have 3 now. So I have these 2 plus my other mini that was from 19A, the turquoise one, the iridescent turquoise one. And they're just such great bags. I love the top handle. They're just so pretty and easy to use. So those 2 are from 18A. I will show you the tag for my latest edition. So here's the tag information, just in case you are wondering. That's the style code. And the retail price in US was $4,000. I actually got it for slightly less than that, which was great. And there's the authenticity card. It is a 26 series. So first impressions of this, I absolutely love it. I'm going away for the week and I am taking this with me. I love it so much. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I'll do a more in-depth review of it once I've had it for a while. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.